In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube video private, unlisted, or public. Understanding these visibility options is really important because they decide exactly who can watch your content and when they can see it. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your web browser and go to YouTube. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns the video you want to control. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your channel. From that menu, click on YouTube Studio. This is your creator dashboard where you manage your videos, analytics, comments, and more. You can change visibility settings either while you're uploading a new video or by editing an existing draft or uploaded video. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on working with a draft, but the visibility screen looks the same during upload. On the left-hand side of YouTube Studio, find and click on the Content tab. This is usually represented by a small play icon. Here you'll see a list of all your videos, including published ones, scheduled videos, and drafts. Take a moment to locate the draft video you want to work with. If you have a lot of videos, you may find it easier to sort by date or use the search bar. Once you've found the draft, click on Edit Draft. This opens the video details window where you set the title, description, thumbnail, and other options. At the bottom of this window, you'll see buttons to move through the different stages of the upload process. Click Next and keep clicking Next until you reach the final step labeled Visibility. This is where you choose how people can access your video. If you want the video to be completely hidden from everyone except you and any channel managers, select Private. After choosing Private, make sure you click Save in the bottom corner so your changes are applied. If you want the video to be watchable only by people who have the direct link, choose Unlisted. The video won't appear in search results or on your public channel page, but anyone with the link can view it and share it. Again, click Save to confirm. Finally, if you're ready for everyone to see your video, choose Public. This makes your video visible to anyone on YouTube and searchable. When you're happy with that choice, click Upload or Save, and your visibility setting will take effect immediately or at the scheduled time you've set.